Taking a break under the bridge here, guys, on the Maradazine River here in Kansas. Yeah, that lightning was picking up. It's actually turned out to be blue skies and stuff like that over there. It's Christmas. You don't believe me? Just poking along. I got 65 miles in for the day. This would actually be a really sweet camp spot. Maybe I should just stay here. Booyah! Just about back to the trail here, guys. Got a tailwind on this sweet gravel road here. But loving Kansas so far. It's great. Starting to plan my, starting to get excited for the Rockies. Woo! One state away. But still like 700 miles of Midwest, so still got some work to do. Gearing up for the Rockies. Starting to think about it anyway. American Discovery Trail 2. I have hit so many trails on this trip, I don't even know what to tell you. That is just freaking awesome. Anyway, loving the Flint Hills Nature Trail, guys. You got to get out here. It is just awesome. I'm starting to hear some thunder again, so I'm going to try to find another location to bunker down at. Morning, everybody. Just getting packed up here. Just had some grits for breakfast. Got some coffee on, just kind of taking it easy here the morning of day 36. Got about 70 more miles left on the Flint Hills Trail. I'm thinking I could do that all day today. And maybe end up staying in Harrington. Hopefully they have a campground with Wi-Fi that's ready to go for tents this year. Enjoying the morning of day number 36 of my vacation across the country. But seems like we're going to have a little bit of a wind. Seems like I might have some wind today, as always here in the Midwest. But that's what's up, right? Leaving dry spots across the nation. That's how we do it. Back on trail, man. Back to the headwind, I presume. Over 2,000 miles, guys. 2,050 miles. Getting ready to start day 36 here. Got 70 miles of trail left. And I'm not sure if I'll get to the end or not. If I do get to the end, I'm going to grab a campground or a hotel in Harrington. I'm not going to like push and try to get there. I'm going to enjoy the last 70 miles. If I only make it 60, then I'm camping again. That's fine. I got food to do that. I'm set up to do that. But I would like to get another video on for you guys. That is important to me. These weeks just kind of fly by. Another glorious day here on the Flint Hills Trail. What's up, guys? Right outside of Council Grove at the Alagaweho Memorial Park. Free camping. It said there were barbecue grills and stuff like that. I don't see anything, and I almost missed it. Doesn't really look like that much of a park. It's all burned up. You know, they must have done like a prescribed burn or something like that. But anyway, This is home for the night. I still have like 20 miles to Harrington, but look at that. I might just camp right inside there, huh? I'm gonna camp out back, but this is pretty cool. And yeah, sun's going down, so I'm gonna get the tent set up and get dinner on. So. Getting all set up here, guys. This is the end of day 36. I've been reading that the section of trail from Council Grove to Harrington is under construction. I went into Council Grove already. I got some water and I got some dinner for tonight and some other things, and then rode back out to this campsite. I checked out the other end of town where the trail starts, and it's like a pretty rough path into the woods, you know. I'm going to try to do some more research, and I'm going to try to find my way onto that trail and try to get to Harrington and complete this thing. But I don't know. I'll find it. Well, I'll figure it out. One thing about the Flint Hills Trail, there's no like signs along the way, or you know, not really telling you much history about it or anything. I couldn't find a map of it the entire time, but it was an awesome trail. It was really, really nice. Just kicking it tonight, guys. Got 60 miles in for the day. And tomorrow it's the end of the trail and back onto the road. And it's the road to Colorado. So I'm going to be laying down the miles out there in Kansas. Just hanging out here tonight, guys. Quiet as heck. There's a roadway out there, but when there's no cars coming, it's extremely quiet. It's the Flint Hills Trail right behind me there. It comes in. Actually goes all the way out. All the way out and crosses that road out there. Yeah, really cool trail. I'm pretty whipped. I'm pretty worn out for the day. But I'm good with 60. Worry-free campsite tonight. And that's it.